Here is John's reaction to after having to work in the pouring down rain all day.
Damn, man, god damn it! Jesus fucking Christ! Good thing I brought my arm floaties today! Man, fuck. My fucking balls are so through, dude. I'm so glad this ain't the fucking very beginning of the route. I'm glad that was the last fucking can right there. Woo! Fuck this.
You love it, don't you?
No, I hate this. Fucking awesome. At least it don't smell like liquid dog shit back here no more. Ooh! Fuck! FML, baby. FM fucking L.
What's that?
Fuck my life, man. Fuck my soggy fucking life.
Looks like you're pretty well drenched. Front to back, head to toe. Doesn't piss you off?
Oh yeah, I'm madder than fucking hornet, baby. That's right the fuck off. Oh my god!